Hello everyone and welcome to the session of data science. In the previous session we have learned about functions. Today we are going to start with the data visualization in R, and today we'll focus on bar charts. Before moving ahead, I'd like to quickly introduce myself. I'm Neha Ojha, working as a software engineer in Kpro Solutions Private Limited. Kpro is a leading provider in the field of analytics, data lake, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, cloud and mobile applications development. So let's not waste any time and look at today's agenda. So in today's session, we'll start with a brief overview of data visualization in R. Then we'll concentrate mainly on the bar charts and we'll understand the basic of bar chart, different type of bar charts, and then we will do some hands-on and try to learn how to create a bar chart, how to give bar chart level, titles and color, and then creating group and stack bar chart. So data visualization is the art of turning numbers to useful information. R offers a wide variety of inbuilt functions and packages that helps in data visualization. There are four basic types of presentation type in R, and they are comparison, composition, distribution, and relationship. R have total 8 types of graphic for data visualization, and they are bar chart, pie chart, histogram, kernel density plot, line chart, box plot, heat map, and word cloud. Now let's understand what are bar charts. So bar charts represent data in rectangular bar with length of bar proportional to the value of variable. It is recommended when you want to plot a categorical values or a combination of continuous and categorical variables. Bar plot function is used to plot the bar charts, and the argument it takes are h, xlab, ylab, main, names.arg and color, where h is a matrix or a vector which is supplying data to the bar chart. Xlab is the level of x-axis, ylab is the level for y-axis, name is the title of bar chart, names.arg is the vector name appearing under each bar, and color gives color to the bars of the bar chart. Now we will learn different type of bar charts. We can classify our bar charts into 4 categories, and they are horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, group bar chart, and stack bar. So horizontal bar charts are those in which the bars are horizontal, which means longer the bar, larger the category. It is used when different categories have longer titles. The next one is vertical bar chart. In this, the bars are vertical, which means taller the bars, larger the category. In general, vertical bar charts are used. The next is group bar charts. Group bar charts is a way of showing information about different subcategories which is a part of one category. The next is stack bar chart. It is similar to group bar chart, but the only difference is here the subcategories are placed at the top of each other. Now we'll learn how to create a bar chart, how to give level, title and colors to the bar chart, how to create group bar chart. At the end we'll learn creating stack bar chart. For creating a simple bar chart, we just need to define a vector which will supply data to the bar chart. So let me first create a vector. H is the name of my vector. So I have created my vector passing 5 elements in that. Now I'll give my chart a file name. I want to save my file in .png format. So I'll use png function, and I'll give name to my bar chart as barchartfirst.png. R also supports different other format in which we can save our bar charts like JPG, WMF, etc. We have given name to our bar chart. Once we will create the bar chart, it will be written to this file. So let me create the bar chart. I will be using bar plot function for that, and I'll passing the name of my vector in that. So my bar chart got created. Now I'll save that using dev.off function. So this bar chart got created and saved in the current working directory of R. So I'll see that using this file section. So here you can see bar chart first got created. This is the simplest bar chart we can create. Now I'll give labels, title and color to the bar chart. So for giving name to the chart, we have to use main argument. For giving color to the chart, you have to use color argument. And args.name will provide label to the bar. So we have already created one vector called h. Now let me create another vector called x, which will store the first 5 days of week for plotting our bar graph. So I have created my vector x. Now I'll give name to my chart. So I'll give name to my chart so that once we'll create our bar graph, that bar graph will be written to this chart. Now the next step is creating bar graph using bar plot function. So the first argument I'm passing here is h, which is the vector, and that is supplying data to our bar graph. In the names.arg argument, I am passing the second vector which I have created in my previous step. I'm using xlab argument for providing name to my x-axis, ylab argument for providing name to my y-axis, main argument for providing name to my chart, color argument for providing colors to my bar, and border argument for providing border to my bars. So I have created my bar chart. So let me quickly save it. So I have saved my bar chart. So that gets stored in our current working directory. So here it is, bar chart weekly.png. So let me open this bar chart weekly and show you how it's looking. So weekly report is the name of our chart. X-axis has got the name week and y-axis has got the name revenue. So whatever we have passed in the h vector is distributed in y-axis, and in the x vector is distributed in x-axis. Our bars got red color and black outline. So this is how you can give color labels and name to your bar chart. Now we'll learn how to create stacked or group bars. We need to create a matrix having more than 2 variables. So I have listed down the steps here to save the time for creating the stacked and group bar charts. So first step, I am creating the vectors called color, month, and reasons. In the second step, I am creating the matrix called values, which is a 3x5 matrix, and I'm arranging the element of the matrix by rows. In the third step, I'm giving name to my chart so that when I'll create my bar plot, that will be written into this chart. Then I'm creating the bar chart and I'm passing the matrix which I have created in the previous step. I'm giving name to my chart as report. So for plotting the values in the x-axis, I'm passing the month vector. I'm giving name to my x-axis as month and y-axis as revenue, and in the color I'm passing color vector. Then I'm adding legend to the chart. In the first argument I'm passing the position where I want to put the legend. Then I'm passing the vector for which I want to create the legend. Then I'm passing this cex argument, and this is for indicating the amount by which plotting text and symbols should be created. So for filling these legends, I'm passing the color vector. And finally, I'm saving my. So let me run these steps one by one. So I've created my color vector, then month vector, and then reason vector. Now I am creating my matrix called values. Now I'm giving name to my chart, and then finally I'm creating my bar chart using bar plot function, and then giving legend to my chart, and finally I'm saving that. So this file got saved in my current working directory. So when I'll refresh it, you can see the bar chart stack.png got created. So when you will open it, you can see the stack bar chart got created with the colors we have provided, and also the reason for the reasons got added here in the top left corner. So x-axis has got name month and y-axis has got name revenue, and my chart name is report. So this is how you can create the stacked or group bar chart, and this is how you can work with the bar charts. Now let us have a quick look at the topics which we have covered in today's session. So we have started with the basic overview of data visualization in R. Then we have understood the basic concept of bar charts and the functions which are used in R to create the bar chart. Then we have learned about the different types of bar chart and the difference between them. And at the end, we have demonstrated how to create bar chart, how to label, title and colors to the bar chart, and also creating group and stack bar chart. That's all for today's session. In the next session, we are going to learn about histograms. Thank you for watching this session. You can provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. You can also write us at feedback@kpro.co.in. To learn more about new technologies, you can subscribe our YouTube channel on blockchain, cloud, data science, ETL, data lake, DevOps, big data testing, and cloud testing. You can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Thank you once again. Let's keep learning.